What's up guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my nighttime skincare routine, and it's an updated one because I probably have like 4 of these on my YouTube channel. But welcome to the bedroom, by the way. How cute are the candles? I lit all the candles for you. You know, I don't usually do this every day. So today's video is in partnership with Biossance. So 2 of the products that I'm going to talk about today and use in my nighttime skincare routine are going to be these guys, and I'll talk a little bit more about them and what they are a little later in the video. But I'm also going to be obviously using all of my other products that I normally use at night. So I'm going to be featuring like a bunch of other products as well that I use. So as usual, I'm talking way too much, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm missing my cleansers. Let me go get it. Okay, so first I'm going to start with my cleansers. So I use 2 cleansers. I do double cleanse all the time, and I highly recommend all of you guys to do it. So if you guys remember, like I used to use wipes to remove my makeup all the time, and I used to get so much crap from people saying like you shouldn't use wipes, blah 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 blah. And I totally understand why, like because you're tugging and pulling. And I feel like through the years learning about skincare a little bit better, like going to different labs and talking to different skincare brands, I have learned a lot. And I feel like if you can stay away from using wipes, it's probably better. I still sometimes use it, I'm not gonna lie, because it's just such an easy way to remove your makeup. But lately I've been really trying my best not to use wipes and instead to use like creamy cleansers that will remove my makeup. So I have a few favorites actually, but this is just one of them, so I'll just talk about this one. There's like another one that I love, but anyway, so this is the Purity one. And the reason why I'm talking about this one is because if you guys have been with me for a while, you know that this is a cleanser that I've used for years, like from the beginning of my whole YouTube journey. So this is just the Philosophy Purity cleanser, and I feel like this is one of those cleansers that when I first discovered it years ago, I didn't think that it removed makeup much, to be honest. I felt like I was so used to my wipes removing it, so this was my second cleanser that I would use. But now I've gotten the hang of like how you're supposed to actually use it. So the way I like to use this is I like to wet my face a little bit, grab a generous amount. I feel like before I wasn't grabbing as much as I do now, so I grab a generous amount, work the product into my fingers, and then start to massage it into my skin. I do this for about a minute or 2 because I feel like when I do this, it really melts all of the makeup off. Like even mascara, I just love doing this. So just massage it until it's fully gone. Sometimes I'll even do it twice just to make sure the mascara and everything is gone. So once I'm done with that, I'll move into another cleanser. This is the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. I do have a few favorites again as well. I've talked about different cleansers in like favorites videos, but this is one of them for sure. I actually ran out of the big one, so this is my travel size one. I have like 2 travel size ones left, and it's super gentle. But what I love about this is that it's like a gel consistency, and when you wash your face it feels really clean. So like this cleanser will give you more of like that soft kind of hydrated feeling. This will kind of like really clean it, and it feels just a little tight. So that's why I love using these 2 together. So after that, about twice a week, I'll go in and use this Biossance product, which, oh my gosh, I have to tell you all about this because it's a new discovery and I'm hooked. And I'll tell you all about like why it's so important to exfoliate at least twice a week. And when I say exfoliate, I don't just mean with like a scrub in the shower, because those can be so harsh and you can really scar your face with them. So this is the Biossance Squalane, I hope I'm saying that right, plus Glycolic Renewal Facial. So that's like the full name of it. So this exfoliates, and it even says it right here, it exfoliates, refines, and boosts radiance. So Biossance is a clean beauty brand, and you can find it at Sephora. When I was on the phone with them learning a little bit more about the brand, they were telling me how the brand actually bans over 2,000 ingredients, which is so incredible, to make sure that the ingredients are as clean as it can be. So this is the first product that I fell in love with. It's a physical and chemical exfoliator. It has squalane, which I didn't know anything about before partnering with them, to be honest, but I learned that squalane is found in shark, but the brand was able to find it in plants, so that's why the brand is vegan and the products are vegan. So that was really cool, and I like to use it twice a week. The brand actually doesn't even recommend you using this every day because it's not good to exfoliate your skin every day, of course. So I use it twice a day twice a week. And the way I like to use it is I put on like a generous amount all over my skin. I leave it on. It says you can leave it on from 3 to 7 minutes. I personally like to leave it on for about 5 minutes. And then after 5 minutes, I like to gently massage it because it has really fine beads in there. So it's going to actually like exfoliate on the surface as well. So again, it's physical and chemical. So you just kind of gently massage that product around, and then just rinse your face afterwards, and then pat it dry with a towel, and then you move on to your, you know, regular skincare routine. It does tingle just a little bit, which is normal. So if that happens to you, totally normal. So next, I like to use a serum, because a serum is just so important for so many different things. The one that I use is the Clarins Double Serum. It's a really popular product, so some of you guys may already know about it and may already use it. So this, first of all, smells so good, and I love skincare that smells good. I don't know why, it just smells so good. But anyway, so this has a lot of different like plants that they've sourced from different countries. The main benefit of it is that it's an anti-aging serum, so it's like the first thing you want to put on your skin, and then you move on to your moisturizers and stuff. So the way I like to use this is using like 1 to 2 pumps, and I like to just press the product onto my skin. And this is another thing that I recently learned. I feel like before, when I was younger, I would just rub product all over my skin, and now I've learned that you're supposed to press the product gently onto your skin so that it's, you know, you're not pulling and tugging on your skin. So make sure that you also do that at home with whatever product that you like to use. By the way, fun fact, KB also uses a serum. He's obsessed with it, and he has his own as well. So that's my serum. So then I like to move on to my moisturizer, and I love trying out different moisturizers, and I also love changing my moisturizer from season to season, and also even from day to night. So during drier months, like starting fall, I like to use richer moisturizers at nighttime. So this is the Biossance Squalane Omega Repair Cream. So I like to use a little bit of this and then sort of warm the product in my hand, and then go ahead and press it onto my skin. Again, I like to just press the product in so that it soaks in, and then when you wake up in the morning, your skin just looks so like plush and hydrated. So this has all the healthy fatty acids like omega fatty acid, hyaluronic acid, shea butter. So again, just a lot of goodness for your skin, and it's also fragrance free. So if you've got sensitive skin and you're sensitive to different fragrances, this one's a great one for that. By the way, the Biossance products are available at Sephora, so you can go in and try it out over there as well. It's obviously also available on their website, so I'll link it down below so you guys have links and you can go try it out and tell me how you guys like it as well. So next, I like to use an eye cream, and this is another thing that I like to change up often just because it's like fun to change it up, and I also like to discover like new products, new ingredients. So this caught my eye because I believe this is like first to market. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. They have like a whole line under this night repair. I love their night repair serum as well. So this eye cream is so interesting because it was developed to protect from the UV blue light that we are exposed to every single day from our phones, from the computer. So basically you put this under your eyes and it protects. So like if you use a computer a lot or if you use your phone a lot, apparently the blue light damages the skin. So when you put this on at night, it sort of repairs that damage, or hopefully helps repair that damage. I don't know, I'm kind of sold, and I've been using it because I'm like, I'm on my phone 24/7. I'm on my computer all the time. And to be honest, when I'm on my phone like for longer than a few hours at a time, my eyes just get so tired and almost like dry. So I'm like, if that is happening to my eyes and I can physically sort of feel that, I can only imagine what's happening to my skin. So that's why I kind of believe it, and I was like, yes, I'm all about it. So this is a cool product, and I will continue to use it until I find something different that I want to try out. Last but not least, I always like to hydrate my lips, and if you guys follow me on stories, you know that this is like one of my favorite lip balms. This is the Fresh Sugar Lip Cream Hydrating Balm. It smells like caramel. It's so good. It feels like butter on the lips. Like it literally feels like butter. And I just love using this not only at nighttime but also over makeup. So like if I use OG from Persona, I like to put this over it because I feel like together it's just like the perfect combination. So I love using this with like liquid matte lipsticks too, but especially at nighttime, it's just so lush and it feels really nice on the lips, and like in the morning you just wake up fully hydrated. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my updated nighttime skincare routine. Thanks again so much to Biossance for partnering with me. I hope you guys learned a lot about the skincare products that I like to use. If you have any recommendations for me, any products that I should be trying out, let me know in the comments below. That's about it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.
Totally see the camera. Oh my god.
Wait, let me glycol. This like shadow is, what is happening?